In this video, we will be going to Dubai. Yes, that's right. Last week, a few of my friends were talking about where we wanted to travel, and we decided we wanted to go to Dubai. So we all got C-word tested. We all came back negative, and we were all ready to get our asses on a plane and head to Dubai. Right here, I just wanted to get over the boring nitty-gritty B-roll of me actually getting to Dubai. On the first day, we checked into this insane £1,000 per night penthouse at the 5 Palm. I want to say a huge thank you to Ben Morris, who's another YouTuber. He is creating some of the sickest videos I've seen on YouTube in a hot minute, and he booked this insane penthouse for a video that he's got coming up, so make sure you check that out when it does come out. And that was our first night. On the second day, we rented supercars for just £1 an hour. I literally couldn't believe how cheap it was to rent out supercars, especially in Dubai. I know that's what you guys clicked on this video for, so let's get right into day 2 where we rented supercars for just £1 an hour. Yo, what is good, people? It is your boy Ari Petra, and we are back with another YouTube video out here in Dubai. We are catching some crazy vibes, and in this video we are going to make a straight movie. What is happening right now is we are hiring 2 supercars for 24 hours. We're gonna like split it up into 2 cars, so we're gonna be able to drive both the cars today. I am probably gonna drive it for 23 out of the 24 hours, try and do so much with it. We're gonna go to the desert, we're gonna go downtown, we're gonna go pick up some food, we're gonna just do a madness. We've got the supercars for 24 hours. Let's freaking go. Okay guys, so the car is here. You guys might be able to guess what it is, but I've pretty much never driven anything else apart from the car I learnt in and my car. We are renting a we've rented. I'm gonna give you like the price breakdown, exactly how much this thing cost me for 24 hours. I don't want to bore you with that right now, because right now I want to make a straight movie, and at the end of the video I'll break down kind of how much this car cost me for 24 hours. But we are in the whipperoo. We are actually waiting for Ben Morris right now. He is at the Palm. Comment down below right now if you know what this car is. So the first stop, we went to this breakfast spot that Mohammed recommended to us. We're about to eat this right now, and I know I haven't even showed you the car yet. It's because I want to get to the desert to basically do the reveal. So I'm gonna eat this, and you guys are gonna catch me in the desert. So we made it to the desert, and I'm gonna reveal the car that we rented for 24 hours right now. So yeah, if you didn't already work it out at the beginning of the video, we got a G63 AMG for 24 hours. The price of this car is really like not that bad at all, and in my opinion, totally worth 24 hours of egotistical adrenaline driving. So yeah, what happened? Nah! We're actually gonna go to another location in the desert right now, so back in the whip and let's go.
Ari somehow managed to get the G-Wagon stuck in the sand.
Oh, Ari, what have you done here, mate? Wow! What has happened here? What have you done there?
What a legend though.
Yeah, shout out to my man.
Yo, Ari! Yeah! Ari! Yeah! You got any change? Thank you so much.
What an absolute legend. To be honest, we were actually stuck for like less than 5 minutes, but I mean,
tell you what, I don't want to get stuck again.
I do not want to get stuck again. Yeah, we had to tip the guy.
Have a good day. God bless you.
Shukran! Jesus Christ! Let's get out of here. Okay, so after my antics, I'm letting Ben take over.
Yeah, honestly, you haven't really given a good impression.
We're in the passenger seat and we're going on a drift lesson.
Drift King.
Drift King! It rips.
Oh, wait, no, not the sand again.
Not the sand.
Oh,
not the sand. Not the sand. Up you go, baby! Batty! This is where it gets really scary. I'm letting Natalie drive. Now you're actually driving a G-Wagon, baby. Okay, here we go.
I'm not pressing nothing, I'm just gonna go like this.
Yeah, we're just going in neutral, okay? No gas. You might end up doing an Ari Petru stuck in the dunes. Okay, so photo shoot pretty much over. Sun has legit gone, but yeah, we killed it. We got some crazy pictures. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram at Ari Petru, go and check out all the content from this Dubai trip. There's gonna be loads more. We've only had them for like 5 hours, so yeah.
Stuck.
Yeah, 5 hours. 2 speeding tickets. Wasn't me, it was L in the R8. But yeah, 2 speeding tickets stuck in the sand, and we've still got 19 hours to go. Let's freaking get it. So we just got back to the apartment, we freshened up, and now we are going out for dinner in the G-Wagon. El is doing his own thing tonight. He was here in the R8, but he dipped. Tonight, we are going for dinner in the G-Wagon. Let's freaking get it. In the night's low-key a bit scary in this big off truck. But we have come to the Persian island or something like that. We're just gonna go for some food with Chris, Mohammed, catch some vibes. Well, we like free valet parking for the G-Wagon. I've actually never like used valet in my entire life. We literally don't have valet in the UK at all. So yeah, let's see the valet service right about now. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Free valet out here. Off it goes. Just finished up at dinner. Dinner low-key slapped. Chris had to get a COVID test because he's actually going back to America tomorrow. He's at the Bird right now, so we're gonna go and pick him up at the Bird. It's 2 AM right now, so we still have 12 hours on the car. Uber for Chris Montante? All right, so we just pulled up to this crazy like sort of bridge thing.
Tell them what time it is though.
I told them it's 2 AM.
time, you feel me? This is when your brain starts working and you start creating some magic, you feel me? We out here in Dubai with it, you dig? You see the vibes, you see this where Casey Neistat came and almost died. So we out here came paying homage to some YouTubers, you feel me? We out here living life. Yes, sir.
Chris had to get his moment in the video. What a moment it was. Here's the lineup right here. So the G-Wagon that we got earlier, L's R8, and then we bumped into my brother over here with another G63. What a freaking vibe! Ishan's driving right now, and your boy's on top of the freaking roof, in the sunroof. Like, we're really catching some serious vibes. Burj Khalifa over there. Rip it again, Ishan. Rip it. What about 3 a.m. right now? And we
I'm hyped too. You see how much energy I have?
Yeah. Oi! 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 Did you expect that? You did not expect that from that. Okay, so I just got the Audi key. So we're gonna hop in.
I say we go racing down the road, bro.
You wanna race down the road?
No, I mean let's just go home and like sleep.
So, we just got flashed. Rip. We were putting on Waze, and as we were putting on Waze, I was like, no, let's just rip it down this road. Flashed instantly. So, yeah, that should be interesting. But, we passed the camera, so. Just been up for a bit of a spin. It is 4 a.m. right now. We really made the most out of the 24 hours. The R8 is low-key insane. I didn't just record the little journey that we did with Ben, so I'm gonna get him to send me some snaps. And yeah. You'll see them right now. Okay, so we are pretty much on the 24th hour of having the supercars. Unfortunately, we have to give the cars back right now. We're literally driving back to our hotel. The guys are waiting for us to give them back. I'm sure so many of you guys will want to know exactly how much I paid to rent these supercars. You can call the G-Wagon a supercar if you want. You can rinse me if it's not a supercar, I'm sorry. The price breakdown is this. We paid 2,400 dirhams, pretty much 500 pounds, 250 a car for a day. Basically works out just over £10 an hour. Just over £10 an hour for a G-Wagon and an R8. Like back in London, you're getting a Golf on Zipcar for like £12 an hour. So in my opinion, this worked out to be a really, really good deal, and I didn't get like some sort of promotion deal to help promote them or anything like that. I'm not promoting the company. If you guys do your research in Dubai and check out loads of hire companies, like you can get good deals on supercars if you do come out to Dubai. So yeah guys, do not forget to smash a like on this video. If we can reach 2,000 likes, I would freaking appreciate that. Do not forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well. And peace the hell